Bienvenidos, damas y caballeros, al Aeropuerto Internacional de Salvador.
Ni teníamos 2 minutos y ya estoy sudando. How you feeling, girl?
Hot.
Oh my God. After we got picked up from the airport, we made our way to our family's home and we rested there a little while. We ended up going to have dinner at Las Brumas, uno de los restaurantes más antiguos del volcán de San Salvador. Because this was our fly-in date, we weren't really expecting anything, but a big shout out to Daniel and Jamie. Thank you so much. This restaurant was super amazing. Aquí tiene una vista bien bonita. Estamos en el volcán, so se puede mirar la ciudad de San Salvador. And of course, we had to try some authentic pupusas here. Sí le eché la salsa y el curtido, so don't come at me. I was just too hungry to take video. But this was much needed energy para el siguiente día, where we would have our first full day in El Salvador. Today we're at the Joya de Seren, also known as the Pompeii of the Americas. Inside the site, there's a small museum. You'll see real artifacts that were found in the village, volcanic rocks, even a sauna they used for the rituals. It's like a snapshot of daily life, but frozen in time. Una erupción volcánica covered an entire Mayan village, but instead of destroying it, la misma ceniza volcánica preservó todo. These are some of the ancient homes, kitchens, and gathering areas. The actual site is protected by that giant steel structure that keeps the rain, wind, and the sun from damaging the ruins. If you want to feel like you're walking through a real-life time capsule, this place is for you. I still can't get over how bright and green and beautiful everything is here. Look at those trees. Right here to the left, ahí está el sauna I mentioned. Ahí es donde se metían. Tenían su ollita de agua que le echaban ahí a las piedras para hacer el steam. Aquí abajito iba la leña. Bien a gusto. On the same day, we made it to San Andres, another amazing archaeological site here in El Salvador. It's only about 10 minutes from La Joya de Seren, so it's super easy to do both in one trip. There's also a small museum here that shows off artifacts, obsidian tools, jade pieces, and ceramics that even show influence from Mesoamerica cultures. This place was actually a major Maya city back in the day, like political and ceremonial level important. You've got these huge pyramids, platforms, and open plazas where rituals and trade happened. It's wild to think this used to be the capital of the valley. What's cool is that it's way more than Joya. Like, you can actually walk through the central plaza and get close to the structures. You really feel the scale of it all, and this is just what's been uncovered so far. And the views are amazing. You've got volcanoes in the background, just so much open space. It's beautiful, it's historic, and it really gives you a sense of just how powerful this city once was. Later that night, after some delicious pollo campero, if you know, you know, we found ourselves in the heart of San Salvador's historic center. The whole area was buzzing with good vibes and good energy. From the Metropolitan Cathedral and the National Palace to all the cool structures, it was the perfect mix of old and new. And here is the star of the night, BINAES, El Salvador's brand new National Library. It just opened in 2023, so if you haven't been here in a while, definitely check it out next time you're in El Salvador. It's a 7-story, 24/7 library. It's its first of its kind in the world. This was on Evan's list of places to visit, so I had to give him his kudos.
Yeah,
You're so amazing, Evan. Good idea, Evan.
yeah. It's so cool.
From theme zones like the Star Wars one and this superhero character wall, the creativity just kept going. And then we stepped into the Harry Potter zone. Floating Hogwarts letters, house banners, and a full-on mini Hogwarts vibe. Felt like all that was missing was a butterbeer and a wand. The Night Howlers?
No.
That's from
The
Zootopia.
Mentors, the Night Howlers. With all the themes, displays, and interactive zones, it's easy to forget that this is still a library, but at its core, BINAES is all about learning, curiosity, and making knowledge fun and accessible for everyone. It also has VR labs, robots, and a rooftop gallery. It's a perfect blend of tech and tradition. They even have video games and simulators, but the cool part is you have to read first before you can play. I thought that was such a smart way to make reading fun and actually rewarding. I love a good light show, so stepping outside the patio to see the lights was really cool. You also have a nice view of the Metropolitan Cathedral.
A few minutes later.
Alright, I'm gonna record Dad's booty. Addie, say hi.
Hi. This guy.
You like El Salvador?
Yes, I love it. This is the real experience. And then later it's gonna be really hot.
Oh no. How would you say that in Spanish? Doble tiempo?
Apúrale.
Let's see, more passion, more energy.
It started raining hard.
Dude, swim hard.
The rain was really kicking us into high gear, and then we also found out that the parking garage closed at 10.
Addie, we made it.
Yeah.
Mom. Oh my god, you're soaked. Your glasses and everything. Look, I have to hold on or else I can light it.
My legs kind of spread out to kind of help keep my balance.
Actually, you dropped the GoPro. What would you tell Mom?
We'd be in big trouble.
We?
Superman. On day 3, we were making our way to the Walmart to get our carne asada, some vegetables, and some food for our stay at the VRBO. We caught a ride in the back of the truck and made our way to pick up our rental car, then hit the road for a quick hour to our place in La Costa del Sol. Yeah, you guys will be fine.
That's the spirit.
I mean, we were just in the back.
You know what? It's so beautiful. Look at the pool. Look at the pool. Hold on, I'm gonna show it the pool. Oh my gosh.
This felt like an episode of MTV Cribs. Everything was so nice and beautiful. I was just trying to soak everything in.
Look at how much land. It goes forever.
That boy dick.
The next morning, I wanted to get up early and walk around and explore some of the grounds. The property had lots of mango trees and fruit trees, coconuts, lizards, birds. It was really nice to walk around and explore a little bit of nature before jumping back in the pool.
El mero pico de arriba de la casita. Good one over here.
Wait a minute.
Our next stop, a short drive over to La Ola de Beto, right on the beach. A perfect spot to cool off, jump in the water, and enjoy some great food, the ocean breeze. We couldn't have asked for a better way to enjoy our day. We had such a good time the first day, we decided to come back and do it all over again. Look at that dad pose.
Watermelon.
Unfortunately, the waves and tide was too strong and nobody was allowed on the beach, but we did enjoy the food and hung out a little while on the sand. So we just made our way back home, and later that night, what better thing to do than to get some more food? Day 6 kicked off with a 2-hour drive to Albania, and the route did not disappoint. You get these insane views of the Santa Ana volcano and the one right next to it. Next time, I definitely want to carve out time to hike to the top. There's a stunning lake in the crater now, so yeah, that one's still on the list. We passed a bunch of colorful pueblitos on the way up, each one with its own charm and character.
All I can hear is Annie going, woo-hoo! That one looks cool. Allá estoy.
Let's see if we can make it out the labyrinth. Hola.
I think this way, guys.
We're trying to head to the middle.
Este camino va a agarrar para atrás, para arriba.
Ok, cuidado aquí. ¿Que no acabamos de venir desde aquí?
No, vinimos ahí.
We just went in a circle.
No, we just came from that one.
José. Para allá. Para allá.
Ah.
Daniel ya se lo puede un poco. Güey, lo sacó en Google Maps. Vamos, güey. Oh, ok.
No, ese solo te aleja más.
Entonces para allá.
La misma entrada es la misma salida.
Ahí viene gente.
Entonces solo recuerden que por dónde pasaron.
Recuerden que aquí vamos a la orilla.
Ok. No, entonces es para allá.
¿Esa, güey?
Sí.
No, acá no hemos entrado.
My compass en la cabeza no me falla.
This is where we were just at. Yeah. Te está fallando también.
Pues sigamos entonces ahí donde va José.
I, in fact, did not know the way. Whoever said mazes are easy is lying to you. You can't even cheat here because there's barbed wire in between the bushes, so good luck with that.
Yeah, so why are we going this way?
Así se ha de sentir estar en la selva.
Se acabó.
Esta es otra entrada entonces.
Sí.
Evan, ve a ver.
No se le va a gastar el azúcar.
He kept
Hoy
going.
se fue, perdimos al guía.
Okay. Entonces,
¿Pero qué?
Lo que pasa es que nunca hemos logrado ir cabal al centro, siempre hemos andado por las orillas.
we are.
Por acá es, por acá es.
I think it was the other path.
No nos dimos por vencidos. Y aquí vamos a llegar a la campana. Wait a minute.
I'm already over this maze. Hot. It's hot. I'm hot. It's hot.
Hot, 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 hot.
We were way off.
Just a girl who loves ramen and boba.
Ah,
Well, we gotta work out. We have a tour guide now. No, tampoco. Hoy sí. Gracias.
Así dice mi abuelo cuando sube en el avión y hay mucho turbulence, dice, ya me tocó las piedras.
¿El de pupusas? Sí, por favor. Listo.
Next up, el Parque Nacional El Boquerón. This volcano sits right above San Salvador and the views are unreal. It's really hard to capture on camera. The crater is massive and the smaller one inside is called El Boqueroncito. After exploring the trails and exhibits, we'll make our way to the coffee shop at the top and chill at the camping site that's nearby. It's a perfect spot to soak in the fresh mountain air and enjoy my coffee.
¿El qué?
Looks like Sid.
It does look like a capybara.
Looks like Sid. I feel like so
Evan es un hijo de la gran puta. Así.
So that's what you are?
Pretty good, más o menos.
No. Kidding.
They're like pumpkins.
Sí, pero son tóxicas.
Oh, yeah?
Can I touch it?
No.
Don't worry, I'm a flower pathologist.
Oh, look at those flowers.
I got tired. You're not rocky like me.
Oh my god, siento que me voy a caer. Holy moly.
Oh, Dad, you stay here?
Esta era una laguna antes.
Oh my god.
Record. We made it to the coffee shop.
Time to go. Let's go.
Can we just like stay here?
Where are we going? Y me da otra sin chile. Siguen. Ajá. Por favor. Muchas gracias. Y aquí está el otro.
And just like that, our trip came to an end, but the memories are definitely staying with us. From volcano views and colorful towns to late night pupusas and getting lost in the maze, every moment was unforgettable. El Salvador gave us adventure, warmth, and a whole lot of reasons to come back. Thanks for tagging along. See you on the next one.